In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell more products through your online store by using the WebStarts Returning Customer Login feature. Returning Customer Login makes it easier for your returning customers to make further purchases from your store because they won't be required to re-enter their billing, shipping, and payment details. Before we get started, make sure you go to your store app and enable customer login under the Settings tab. If you scroll down, you'll see here where it says Allow Customer Login at Checkout, and be sure that the checkbox is marked. To get started, click on the store, and then we can view the catalog. I'm going to click on this shoes category and then add these shoes to my cart, and then I'm ready to check out. On the checkout page, notice that you can enter your billing details. I'm going to put my information in there. Once you've entered your billing details, check the box that says Save this information for next time, and then enter the password that you would like to use. I've entered my payment details, and now I click Place Order. My order has been successfully approved, and so now I've purchased one pair of white canvas sneakers in a size 10. Let me show you how I can come back now to my store and then log in so I don't have to enter all that billing, shipping, and credit card information again. Here I am back at my store, and this time I'm going to purchase a size 8 of the same sneakers. I click Checkout. Notice that my billing details are not filled in, so I want to automatically fill those in. So to do that, all your customers need to do, and all I need to do, is simply enter my email address and password, and then there you can see all of my payment information is automatically saved, and I can just click Continue and then place my order. If your customers ever want to update the information associated with their account on your online store, they can click on their name in the top right, and then they can click on the general billing and shipping tabs, and then click the update button if they'd like to update their information. They can log out by clicking Log Out, and then they log in on the checkout page where I demonstrated previously. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own online store and see more helpful videos like this.